Alright guys, so how are you doing? This is my first how-to video and it is the brows. So I'm starting off with a fresh face and I'm going to go ahead and prime my face first, and we're going to be using the Milani Prime, Correct, and Setting Spray. Once it has been sprayed on my face, we're going to take my Sigma 3D HD sponge and I'm going to go ahead and pat that on my face so it really gets absorbed into the skin. Once that has been completely absorbed, we're going to go ahead and start with the brows. First, we're going to take the brow pencil and we're going to be using the Benefit Cosmetics Precisely My Brow Pencil, and this is in the shade number 4. We're going to take the spoolie side and we're going to brush the hairs in the direction of the hair growth. So as you can see, I'm brushing the hairs in the direction that it grows, and then we're going to take my tweezers and we're going to pluck any hairs that are stranded and do not go with the brow shape. Now that my eyebrow has been completely tweezed, we're now going to fill it in with the pencil, and we are going to be placing the pencil in the direction of the hair growth, and then we're going to take the spoolie in between and then blend out any harsh line, and we're basically going to repeat that section while creating the actual brow shape. Once the brow shape has been completely filled out, we're then going to use the concealer, and the concealer I'm using is this is one of my faves, and obviously I need a new one. This is NYX Conceal, Correct, and Contour Kit. And I'm just going to go ahead and clean up underneath my brows, creating that nice sharp line. And I'm using a nice flat angle brush. This brush is from my company and I still have it. It's one of my faves. And I just use it for carving out my cut creases as well as to really define my brows. And then I'm going to blend out all the product with that beauty blender. Once it's been completely shaped out, we're now going to go on top of the brows and we're going to be using my favorite foundation. This is CoverFx PowerPlay foundation in the shade N100, and I'm taking that same angle brush and I'm going to be basically doing what I did for the bottom of the brow, cleaning up the top brow, really creating that definition of the brow, and then again we're going to go in and blend everything out with the beauty blender. If you see any, like, you want to clean up the line a little bit like I did here, I'm just really anal about my brows, so I went ahead and re-put more on and then I blended that out again. And the final step to the brows is again taking the spoolie, looking at both brows, and then blending everything out. And there you have it, guys. This is the brow pencil tutorial for beginners. I hope you like it. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and thanks for watching, guys. I will see you at the next one. Bye.